journey of the universe from the Big Bang to the life on Earth. This presentation has two parts, the boring part for adults and the fun part for kids. First, let me get through the entire adults part, then I'll go through the kids part. The adults part is very short, but the kids part is long, so it will just take a few minutes to get through the adults part. Okay, so do I look like an adult? So, I look mature enough? Do I look like a scientist who knows everything about the universe? Well, let's start, shall we? Hello esteemed viewers, today we shall discuss the formation and evolution of the universe in a concise yet scientifically accurate manner. Allow me to present the journey of the universe in 8 steps. Hold on, parental garden is not advice.
What?
This is especially for adults.
No! God, please! No!
Step 1. The Big Bang occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago, marking the inception of space, time, and the rapid expansion of a singularity. Step 2. Following the initial expansion, the universe entered the quark-gluon plasma phase, where fundamental particles began forming. Step 3. As the universe cooled, nucleosynthesis led to the formation of hydrogen and helium nuclei. Step 4. Recombination occurred, allowing photons to travel freely and giving rise to the cosmic microwave background radiation. Step 5. The gravitational collapse of matter led to the formation of the first stars and galaxies during the cosmic dark ages. Step 6. Supernova explosions enriched the interstellar medium with heavier elements through stellar nucleosynthesis. Step 7. Planetary systems including Earth formed from protoplanetary disks around young stars approximately 4.5 billion years ago. Step 8. Biochemical evolution on Earth resulted in the emergence of life, progressing from prokaryotic cells to multicellular organisms and eventually humans. Hold on! This is for adults! You already know all this fancy stuff. What about the rest of us kids who like things easy and fun? Don't worry, I'm going to explain this in my way, without all the big words and with loads of fun. Stay tuned, I'm coming right back.
2 hours later.
So, do you like my new outfit? This t-shirt has the entire solar system. See here, it shows that which is the coldest to which is the hottest. And in the and here, we can see the orange planet, which is our Earth. See, it says right here, you are here. It has all the names of the planets too. So, buckle up. We're going on a journey through time and space to see how the universe went from boom to you watching me today. Let's get started. I've got something awesome to share today. Ever wonder how the universe, everything started? Was it magic, a science experiment, or did a giant alien sneeze? Nope, it was the Big Bang. Wait a minute, am I taking you back to the birthday of the universe? Okay. Okay, imagine this bead is the whole universe. I know it's hard to believe, but billions of years ago, everything, planets, stars, even your soccer ball, was squished into something this tiny. But it wasn't just small, it was super hot and super dense, like hotter than 1 trillion suns combined.
Huh?
Then one day it couldn't handle being squished anymore. Boom! It exploded, but wait, it wasn't like a normal explosion with fire and noise. The Big Bang was silent. Because sound didn't even exist yet. Weird, right? From that tiny dot, the universe began to grow, and it's still growing. That's the Big Bang Theory in a nutshell. Cosmic soup and the first stars. After the Big Bang, everything was like a super hot soup of teeny tiny particles. Scientists call it plasma, but I like to call it cosmic soup. Sounds yummy. These particles were zooming around so fast, it was like a galactic roller coaster. Whoa! As the universe cooled down, kind of like soup cooling off, these particles start sticking together to make atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of everything. Your toys, your school, even you and me. Then over millions of years, atoms clumped together to make stars, galaxies, and planets. And one of those planets was our home, Earth. High five, Big Bang! You rock, universe! Stars love hanging out together, so they formed groups called galaxies. Think of galaxies as cosmic neighborhoods. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Sounds delicious, right? But don't eat it. It's made of stars, dust, and gas, not chocolate. Oh, cosmic soup. Now the Milky Way? Oh, I feel really hungry now.
Oh no!
Here's a fun fact. The Milky Way is so big that if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross it. Better pack some snacks for that trip, dude.
Okay.
Now let's talk about planets. Around some stars, tiny bits of dust and rocks start sticking together. It's like cosmic Lego. Over time, these pieces grew bigger and bigger, forming planets, like the Earth. Our planet Earth was one of them. At first, it was a fiery hot mess, lava everywhere. But don't worry, it cooled down and got ready for something amazing, life. Over millions of years, these tiny creatures evolved into fish, then reptiles, then mammals, and finally humans. So yeah, we're all related to tiny water creatures. Say hi to your great grandfish. Just kidding. Time for some mind-blowing facts about the Big Bang. Ready? Okay. The Big Bang created space and time. Before the Big Bang, there was no space, no time, no nothing. So it didn't explode into space, it made space. Imagine creating a room where there was no room before. Whoa! Whoa! The universe is still growing. The universe is like stretchy slime. It keeps expanding. Scientists have measured this using something called redshift, which is like watching galaxies move away from us in slow motion. Wait, slime. So that means, is the universe wiggly?
Say what?
The Big Bang left behind some leftover heat, like when a pizza stays warm after coming out of the oven. Oh, pizza. Now I'm getting really hungry.
You what?
Oh, scientists can see this heat using special telescopes. It's like a cosmic fingerprint.
What? No, dude!
Okay, here's a cool fact. Scientists found proof of the Big Bang by detecting heat left over from the explosion. It's called cosmic background radiation. Think of it like a faint glow that's been hanging around for billions of years. It's like the universe is saying, yup, the Big Bang really happened. What does the universe look like now? That's a question for you. Can you answer it? Okay, I'm giving you the answer. Oh, yeah. Today the universe is huge. It's filled with billions of galaxies, and each galaxy has billions of stars in it. And get this, new stars and planets are being born all the time. It's like the universe is a factory that never stops working. Interesting. Remember, it all started with that tiny Big Bang dot. Mind blown, kaboom! Do I look good? Okay, now let me take you through the entire process of how the universe was made. Oh, and also, this is the only YouTube channel where you can see all the pictures. Oh, and please can you also comment on how I did this entire presentation. It took a lot of time and effort. Now let me tell you about how it was made. Are you ready for the step 1?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes? Okay. Stage 1. The universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and heat. In an instant, this singularity rapidly expanded, creating space, time, energy, and matter. This moment is referred to as the Big Bang. Contrary to its name, it wasn't an explosion in space, but an expansion of space itself. Temperatures were unimaginably high, fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, strong, and weak nuclear forces began to differentiate. Stage 2, the first seconds. Within fractions of a second, the universe began to cool. subatomic particles, quarks, electrons formed. These quarks combined into protons and neutrons. This period is also known as the quark gluon plasma phase. Why can't they just call it the plasma phase? Am I right? Okay, stage 3. Formation of atoms. 300,000 years after the Big Bang. As the universe continued to expand and cool, protons and neutrons fused into the first atomic nuclei. Hydrogen and helium electrons combined with these nuclei to form neutral atoms, allowing light to travel freely for the first time. This is called the cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB for short. Or could I just call it the afterglow of the Big Bang? Now let me just take this off. Okay, now. Stage 4, the Dark Ages. 300,000 to 1 billion years. During this time, the universe was dark and was filled with neutral hydrogen gas. Gravity began to pull matter together, forming the first stars and galaxies. Whoa. Stage 5. Star and galaxy formation. The first stars, called population 3 stars, were massive and short-lived. When they exploded as a supernova, they created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. These elements became the building blocks for planets, life, and new stars. Over time, galaxies, star clusters, and black holes began to form. Stage 6. Solar system formation. 4.6 billion years ago. Oh, wait. You can see here that this is the entire solar system. Has the sun and all the last planets, if you can see here. Okay, let's get back to the stage 6 right now. In one of the Milky Way's galaxy's arms, a cloud of gas and dust collapsed under gravity to form a sun. See? The leftover material coalesced into planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, forming the solar system. See? Back to the stage 7. Earth formed as a rocky planet with liquid water, making it hospitable for life. About 3.5 billion years ago, simple single-celled organisms appeared. Over billions of years ago, life evolved, leading to the diversity of species we know today. Stage 8. Expansion of the universe. The universe continues to expand due to dark energy, a mysterious force driving galaxies further apart. Scientists predict it may expand forever, slow down, or eventually collapse in a big crunch, just like the Big Bang. I dedicate this video presentation to my parents, my little sister, and my favorite science teacher, Miss Cortolan. I hope my friends Anamta, Abrish, Azan, Zayan are watching this video. I'm sure you would have learned something new in an interesting way. And my cousins, Qasim, Zainab, and Taki, you gotta tell me, do you like my content or not? And in the last, I must mention my friend Ashab. I hope you like it. Sue! Peace, bro. Cristiano rules! The boring part for adults and the kids part for with without all the big words and with loads of fun. Stay tuned, I'm coming right back. Wow, I mean, just wow. Wasn't that amazing? From a tiny super hot dot to a gigantic universe, the Big Bang is like the ultimate origin story. Wow, actually. Again, that's wow. Oh, and also, thanks for coming on this cosmic adventure with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can join me for more fun science adventures. See you next time. Bye!